In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix this update that is not installing or downloading on your computer. It's simply not working, and you can't really download this update. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. Okay, guys, so now the first step is to press Windows, on your keyboard, Windows logo, press +S, and then here in the search bar, write services. And now here what we have to do is to look for, we need to look for Windows Update, or if you can't find here between, around here, Windows Search, Windows Security, should be around there, it should be located there. But if it's not there and it's not Windows Update called or named, it's named like this. So in this case, if it's named like this, just right click. It's still Windows Update, window properties, go to properties, go to automatic, and make sure you stop this service and you restart this service. Make sure you restart, and you can also even disable this service. So you will refresh this service pretty much. Stop this service, now automatic, apply, start, now apply, and now you can also click here on refresh. Now that's what you have to do. That's the first method, and if that didn't work and you still have problems, you can also, if you still have problems, Windows Update, in his update history, install all the updates and it works just fine. And if you click on check for update, it still doesn't work, make sure you follow now the next step. So what you have to do, guys, now is to copy this update that is not working for you and click on here on paste, and click on search and paste the update, and now search. And now we just have to click on download. So this is the update that we have problems with and it's not working. So click on download, and now here click on this icon here, this link, so you can download this update. All right. Now click on save. Perfect. Now, guys, we can just click on this. We just install this file. This is the update. So we're doing basically what we're doing right now. We're just installing this update manually. And I already installed this update. I already have this installed on my computer. So make sure you install this. And if you have a different base system, you can select here a different one and try a different one. Maybe it's not the right one. So yeah, that's basically the manual way to install this update. That way, Windows is giving us this error when we're trying to install this update. So yeah, if you're trying, you're trying to install this update, and while you're trying it, Windows is giving you a lot of errors. Make sure you try this manually. And if that didn't work, you can only try another. Just press set right here, settings in the search bar, and here make sure you go to system, and then here go to troubleshoot, and then in other troubleshooters, make sure here you run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on run and detect that maybe there's some problems and that's why it's not working. Maybe that's the reason, and this troubleshooter sometimes can be really helpful. I use this when it's like I have some problems with the audio, and that's why it's pretty good to try this and see if there's any problem detecting additional problems. And it's good, yeah. So let's see if there's any problems detecting any issues. And we have one. Check for Windows Update issues. So let's do it right now. I'm gonna try to exit this, but I'm in this Zoom. So let's close services. Let's go to Windows Updates and let's check for updates. I'll see if now it's working. While we're waiting, I have another. If that didn't work, all the previous methods I showed you, present you in this tutorial, didn't work, and you still have this problem. Another thing that you can do, guys, is to click here on Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on Download. Click on Download, and let's wait a couple of seconds. Now what you have to do is just to open this file. media creation tool, getting few things ready. We just have to wait now a couple of seconds or even minutes, depends. Okay, now we have to accept, getting few things ready. Ready. All right, now click on next, click on ISO file. Now I'll select on my desktop, save, getting few things ready, and that's gonna take some time because it's just downloading Windows 11 and creating ISO file for Windows 11. So this process is gonna take some time. So make sure you wait. Now guys, the next step, what we have to do is make sure here you check keep personal files and apps. So make sure it's not set to nothing, it's set to keep personal files, keep personal files and apps. Make sure it's set to this, and click on make sure you selected keep personal files, and yeah, I know I'm repeating myself, but just make sure you select that. I've just waited around half an hour, no, actually an hour and around 25 minutes for this to complete. So I did this just for you, so I can show you the process. So I really appreciate if you leave a comment down below if you like this video. If you watch this here till the very end, it will really help with the algorithm, so more people will see this video. So I really appreciate if you do this, if you could do this. So yeah. Alright guys, now make sure you click on install, and that's pretty much all you have to do, just to click on install here. And now you will install Windows 11 with the latest version, latest updates, with all the updates, with the latest updates. But you will also keep your personal files and apps. So that's actually the method. So you just have you're just reinstalling Windows, but you'll still keep your files and apps. And obviously, if you're reinstalling Windows, when we install these files, this will contain all the latest updates, right? So now I'll click on exit because I have the latest updates. So make sure here you click on install, and then you'll restart your computer, and that's pretty much it. So I really hope guys you'll find this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you leave a comment down below your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.